Hello children, welcome back to English grammar class. Today I will teach all the students of class 1 chapter 17 from our English grammar book. The name of the chapter is The Sentence. In this video, I am going to explain what sentences are and how many kinds of sentences are there. Children, let's start our class now. What is a sentence? A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Meaning of sentences: when a group of words join together and it makes complete sense, only then it is called a sentence. Let's understand with the help of examples. Here, some group of words are written. The first one is I am, second is a boy, and third is I am a boy. In the first one, it is written I am. This group of words is not making any sense. So this is not a sentence. The second one is a boy. This is also not making a complete sense. It is not giving a clear view of what we are talking about. We know a boy, but we are not clear what is being said about the boy. So this is also not a sentence. In the last one, it is written, I am a boy. So this group of words is giving a complete sense. So this is a sentence. Let's read the chapter and understand it more clearly. This is chapter 17, The Sentence. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Read the following groups of words. First, song, she, a, singing, is. Second, she is singing a song. Both the above groups have the same 5 words. You can see in the first sentence also and in the second sentence also. All the same 5 words have been used. But the first group of words does not make any sense. So it is not a sentence. The second group of words makes complete sense. So it is a sentence. Children, we will read the first sentence again. Song, she, a, singing, is. The words are not in proper order to make complete sense. So this sentence is not a sentence. The second one is she is singing a song. Here the group of words in proper order and they are giving us a complete sense. She is singing a song. वो एक song गा रही है. So this is a sentence. Now read the following sentences and understand their sense. A lion is a wild animal. Lion एक wild animal है. So this is a sentence. India is a big country. India एक big country है. This is also a sentence. Morning walk is good for health. Morning walk health के लिए good है. If we will not keep the words in order, it will not make any sense and it will not be a sentence. But here the words are in proper order so as to make complete sense. So these are sentences. The last one is students are going to school. Students school जा रहे हैं. If in this sentence it is written are going students to school, ऐसे लिखा होगा So it will not be a sentence. Children, always remember, a sentence always starts with a capital letter. A sentence always ends with a punctuation mark. What do you mean by punctuation mark? Punctuation mark consists of, it can be full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. So, from this we come to know that a sentence always starts with a capital letter and it always ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. Kinds of sentences. Read the following sentences. Let us first read the first group of sentence. Mohit is my friend. I can lift this suitcase. Sushma sings a sweet song. The boys are playing cricket. In this group of sentences, the sentence is ending with a full stop. And all these sentences are telling something. In the first sentence, it is written, Mohit is my friend. You are just stating something, telling something. Mohit मेरा friend है. So this is a statement. I can lift this suitcase. This is also a statement. Statement means in the sentences in which we are telling something. Sushma sings a sweet song. Here it is being told, it is being stated that Sushma sings a sweet song. बताया जा रहा है. जो simple statements होते हैं जिनमें कुछ बताया जाता है, they are statements. The boys are playing cricket. Boys cricket खेल रहे हैं. So all these four sentences are statements. Second group of sentences are you reading a newspaper? Is your mother preparing breakfast? Can you write a letter? Which book do you want? Children, as you can see in all these four sentences, these sentences are ending with a question mark. So these are questions. This group of sentences are questions. You can clearly see it is ending with a question mark, so it is a question. The sentences in which you ask something, जिन sentences में आप कुछ पूछते हैं, they are questions. The third group of sentences are sit down beside your sister. Walk slowly. Open the window. Please complete your homework. In all these four sentences, you can see some order is being given or request is being done. Sit down beside your sister. This is not a statement. This is not being told something. Here, something is not being told. You are being requested. यहाँ पर request की जा रही है. Sit down beside your sister. और you can also say this is a command. आपको command दिया जा रहा है. Command मतलब आपको order दिया जा रहा है. आपको बोला जा रहा है. Sit down beside your sister. Walk slowly. This is also a command or an advice. कमांड का मतलब होता है ऑर्डर, जो आपको कुछ करने के लिए बोला जा रहा है. एडवाइस का मीनिंग है आपको कुछ समझाया जा रहा है कि इस तरह से करिए. रिक्वेस्ट का मीनिंग है कुछ आपसे प्यार से बोला जा रहा है कि प्लीज़ इस काम को इस तरह से कर लीजिए. So these set of statements express command, advice or request. In all these 4 sentences you can see they are ending with a full stop, but they are not statements, बिकॉज यहाँ पर आपको कुछ बताया नहीं जा रहा है. यहाँ पर या तो आपको कोई ऑर्डर दिया जा रहा है या आपको कोई एडवाइस दी जा रही है, आपसे कुछ कहा जा रहा है कि इस तरह से कर लीजिए, और या फिर आपसे रिक्वेस्ट की जा रही है. सो दीज आर नॉट स्टेटमेंट्स. सो द 3 काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेज आर स्टेटमेंट्स, क्वेश्चंस, command. Okay, command includes advice or request. Okay, so this is the third group: command, advice or request. If a sentence is ending with question, it is a question. Okay, if a statement is ending with question mark, so it will be a question. कोई सेंटेंस अगर क्वेश्चन मार्क में एंड कर रहा है तो वो आपका क्वेश्चन है. अगर फुल स्टॉप में एंड कर रहा है तो इफ द सेंटेंस इज टेलिंग यू समथिंग, अगर सेंटेंस आपको कुछ बता रहा है, कोई जनरल सी बात, कोई स्टेटमेंट है, तो वो स्टेटमेंट की कैटेगरी में आता है. और अगर आपको कमांड दिया जा रहा है, ऑर्डर दिया जा रहा है, एडवाइस दी जा रही है, रिक्वेस्ट किया जा रहा है, देन इट इज बिलोंगिंग टू द कैटेगरी ऑफ कमांड. सो दीज आर द 3 काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस: स्टेटमेंट्स, क्वेश्चंस, कमांड. Children, always remember you can make a statement in affirmative or negative. He writes a letter, affirmative. He does not write a letter, negative. You can ask a question in affirmative or negative. Do you like tea? Affirmative. Do you not like tea? Negative. You can express a command or request in affirmative or negative. Pluck the flowers, affirmative. Do not pluck the flowers, negative. So you can make a statement, question or a command in affirmative or negative also. Your homework is read the chapter, learn the 3 kinds of sentences I have taught you in this video. We'll be meeting very soon with the next video, and in that video we will be discussing the book and copy exercise. Thanks for watching. Hope to meet you soon, very soon.